Wouldn't it be nice to have a second oven to pick up the slack? Sure, we'd all love to have a double wall oven, but that's not a feasible or even affordable solution for many of us. Toaster ovens have long been lumped into the same cooking category as toasters in the minds of many consumers, but these countertop cookers have steadily evolved to the point where they should, and rightfully so, be considered their own standalone device. This is because they're incredibly versatile, have a wide variety of uses, and have a myriad of benefits. Many countertop convection ovens cook food in a variety of methods. They can warm, toast, bake, broil, steam, and sear foods. In general, cook times tend to be 30% shorter than a typical oven, making meals quicker and saving users on energy, both in terms of time used and the size of the oven that must be heated. Because foods cook more quickly, foods can be cooked with fewer or no fats or oils. The ovens use convected heat to sear the outside of foods, trapping moisture within and cooking items from all sides. The convection piece circulates the heated air within the oven to heat foods on all sides evenly, resulting in an extremely even cooking pattern, eliminating cold spots and burn spots. Whether you're looking for the best of the best or the most affordable option, you'll find it on this list. So if you want to know which one will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. And now let's begin. At number 1 as best overall, we present the Breville Smart Oven Pro. With a countertop oven like this one, you want it to perform well while looking good in your kitchen. Luckily, Breville doesn't disappoint in the looks department. The Smart Oven has a modern but simple design. With its silver-colored scheme, simple dials, and large screen, this oven is elegant and sleek without pulling too much attention. This makes it fit perfectly in any kitchen design. One of the most notable features is the heating system. The heating system of this oven is supported with a convection fan. The convection fan can help for faster cooking due to the fan that distributes all the heat evenly. Due to this feature, the cooking in this large toaster oven is much faster than using a regular oven. Additionally, it also makes your cooking time more efficient, which is very useful for busy people or people with families. However, not all the food can be cooked in a faster time. Therefore, to support this, the oven also offers a unique feature or mode, which is called slow cook. In addition to the slow cook function mode, the large toaster oven uses approximately 1800 watts of energy. This is quite large for an oven, which may also become one of the minor problems. However, this large toaster also utilizes a unique feature or system called the 5-quarts element. The 5-quarts element offers a system called Element IQ. This feature will help the oven to distribute the heat to all the places where it's really needed. Therefore, your cooking will be evenly heated and will have perfect results due to these unique and distinct special features. At number 2 as most versatile, we recommend the Cosori Toaster Oven. The Cosori Toaster Oven is a stainless steel monster. The inside is also stainless steel and the door is made of heat-resistant tempered glass. This makes it exceptionally easy to clean. At 24 pounds though, it's tough and durable. The front of the unit features an intuitive control panel. At the top, there's a clean LCD display that shows you the current temperature and the time remaining. It also shows the power status, the fan setting, and the light and dark setting for toaster features. Down on the left side of the display, it shows which of the 12 cooking modes is currently being used. One thing we should point out is that it draws a maximum power of 1800 watts. This isn't an insane amount of power, but it is a lot. It will just about max out a standard 15 amp outlet. As a result, you want to be careful about any other devices you're running on the same circuit. Whether you want to roast a rotisserie chicken, prepare homemade yogurt, or air fry some homemade fries, it does the job. Oh, and it also makes a great slice of toast. At number 3 in the best steam category is the Tovala Generation 2 Smart Steam Oven. This is a second generation Tovala oven redesigned after the successfully crowdfunded and distributed first model. The controls are much more direct and functional here, and the overall size of the device has been reduced while keeping the same cooking capacity. Setup is also much easier, relying on an ad hoc Wi-Fi connection to the app rather than a pattern of flashing lights. 3 glossy black circles surrounded by black matte buttons sit on a panel to the right of the door. Each circle contains a white LED display and is surrounded by buttons related to the information it shows. The top circle is for cooking mode with dedicated buttons for bake, broil, steam, and toast, along with reheat and scan. The middle circle is for temperature, with plus and minus buttons for adjusting by 25 degrees Fahrenheit in increments that will bake or steam. It has 5 preset levels in toast mode and low and high in broil mode. The bottom circle shows the cooking time with its own plus and minus buttons for setting the number of minutes to cook. 2 smaller half-circle buttons to start cooking and cancel or power off the oven sit below the 3 displays. The Tovala steam oven is an impressive little countertop appliance. Its multiple cooking modes are extensive, with multi-step cooking programs making it incredibly useful for whipping up nearly any meal. We hope you like our selection of products so far. If you want us to review other products, feel free to comment down below. At number 4 in the category of Best High-End, we present you the Ninja DT251 Foodie. The most wonderful thing about this convection oven is the fact that you can use it for almost anything. Right on the front of this oven there are a series of buttons and settings. Each one of these buttons and settings allows you to customize the overall cooking process while also giving you access to a wide variety of modes. The modes this oven offers are as follows: air fry, bake, roast, whole roast, broil, bagel, toast, dehydrate, pizza, and reheat. Each one of these modes is a little different, and due to the sheer variety of options you have, you can make just about anything with this oven. The really nice thing about this oven though is the integrated Food Smart thermometer. Making use of this thermometer allows you to automatically detect the temperature that is necessary for your food to be cooked in a certain way, whether it's well done or medium, for example. That way, the entire process is almost completely automatic, which makes it extremely easy. Right inside of this oven, you'll find the 1800 watt heating appliance. That may not sound like a lot, especially when compared to other much larger ovens, but it is. Finally, at number 5 for the best budget device, we chose the GoWise USA GW oven. The GoWise USA 12.7 quart air fryer oven is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can be used to air fry, bake, toast, dehydrate, or rotisserie. The front of the oven sports a digital display with push-button controls. The GoWise oven features more than the average number of preset cooking functions: manual, fries, frozen food, wings, pizza, steak, chicken, fish, vegetables, toast, baked potato, rotisserie, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, and defrost. A large viewing window and oven light make it possible to monitor the food as it cooks. This oven also supports a wide range of accessories, including 4 different rotisserie spits and baskets. The GoWise also works as a standard toaster oven, reaching cooking temperatures without the aid of convection. Low temperatures allow for dehydration of vegetables, fruits, jerky, and more. This oven has a wide temperature range of 120 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking to consolidate your appliance collection or simply upgrade from your current toaster oven, the GoWise 12.7 quart air fryer might be the one for you. And there you have it, the 5 best smart countertop ovens on the market today. If you found one on this list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload new reviews. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.